How to delete your Instagram Lite account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to delete your Instagram Lite's account, what you're simply gonna do is first of all, launch the application on your device. After you've opened the app, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your profile by clicking on the bottom right corner of your screen where there is your profile picture. After you've done that, in the top right corner of your screen, you can see a 3-bar option. Click on it. Then go to settings. After you have gone to settings, in the first you can see account center. Click on it. Then under account settings you can see the option personal details. Click on it. After that, go to the third option. It says account ownership and control. Then go to deactivation or deletion. Then go to your profile. Now, you can either choose between deactivating your account or deleting your account. So go to delete account, then continue. After you do that, your account will be deleted. So that's how you can delete your Instagram Lite's account. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.